I'm here to talk to you about Better Choices, Better World, an idea whose time has finally come. Better Choices, Better World was actually visioned out about 2 to 3 years ago, uh, and it's the largest idea out there that the world truly needs at this moment. We did float a very, very small element of it in the form of the YouTube channel last year. And some of you might have caught some of the episodes where we met some amazing folks and carried out their journeys and stories. Better Choices, Better World is an idea to integrate all the best efforts, ideas, communities, needs, and a futuristic way that carries the best of the learnings of the past, what this planet holds, and which looks at parameters in a very different way. The biggest challenge that what we term as alternative lifestyles or alternative businesses or sustainable businesses, or they're way too idealistic. Most often, it's a struggle of a single individual or extremely small companies who want to do the right thing, who sometimes have the right process, who don't necessarily have the scale or don't necessarily have the business models that can take it to the larger community or even to its own desired audiences in a continued fashion. So the clout that the alternative systems, as we call them, needed was missing. And it was always overshadowed by the larger commercial models that we have out there. So what if we took the best of both these and merge so that the learnings from the commercial models that we have, the technology that we have, the ability to connect people, and the ethics, the moral struggles of the sustainable communities, some of the amazing efforts and solutions that have already been created in the alternative spaces, they get merged. So we did predict then that sometime in the foreseeable future, there would be a shift where even the very large players who until then would be doing smaller shifts into the alternative would make an extremely large quantum jump. And at that point, these smaller players, in spite of the fact that they may have existed for an extremely long time or put in maybe a lifetime of effort, would be rendered meaningless. Because large business entities need to look at survival, they have the clout to be able to jump from one form of doing or looking at the world to another if it's so demanded. They would make it more organically until a point, but they could jump drastically if it's so demanded. It is the smaller players who needed an aggregation, who needed, and when I say a smaller player, I don't necessarily mean only businesses. It could be an idea. It could be something that, it's an art form that's dying out. It could be somebody's solution for the future, which maps something very well. Now, a lot of times, the solutions don't find the right audiences. The nature of an alternative business does not find its large enough community to keep it sustainable. So the whole idea was to integrate all of this into one space, which becomes a network, it becomes a marketplace, it becomes a referral point, it becomes a community. It literally brings the best of what the world needs, what it's working towards under one roof. That, in short, is what Better Choices, Better World is all about. And in order to get it started and to motivate ourselves, what we did last year was to start meeting people and to carry some amazing conversations forward. At this point, when we see, and what is very, very heartening, is that everywhere all the buzzwords that we have been talking about for the last 4 to 5 years are now mainstream. You look at words like degrowth, you're looking at circular economy, you're looking at sustainability, you're looking at ethics, you're looking at all the words that we have wanted the mainstream to be talking about are now currently mainstream. So what happens in this chaos where there's so much shift happening, where old systems are crumbling and new systems are getting formed? This is the exact time that Better Choices, Better World needs to find its feet, needs to find its support, and needs to find its largest world community. So this is an invitation to all of you out there who might resonate with Better Choices, Better World as an idea, whose time has come. Some of you might want to bring resources on board. Some of you might have technical skills. Some of you might have communities that you want to add. Some of you might have businesses that you want to showcase. And some of you might have help us to get funds, visibility, whatever it might be. This is an integrating space, and it's not a competitive space. The more people who come under this space, the better it's going to be, because finally it's better choices that really make a better world. So thank you and have a great day, and looking forward to hearing from you all.